Yeah. All I gotta say is, how you about to dog my shit when you don't even got shit to play? I'm tired of people dogging my shit. It's Travis Spotlight in this bitch. Zinno, J-Bird. Let's get it.
My crew bad.
Wanna bet money?
My team roll deep.
Wanna bet money?
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 My bitch bad.
Wanna bet money?
I run this town.
Wanna bet money? Wanna bet money? Wanna bet money? Wanna bet money? Wanna bet money?
My crew bad.
Wanna bet money?
My team roll deep.
Wanna bet money?
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 My bitch bad.
Wanna bet money?
I run this town.
Wanna bet money? Wanna bet money? Wanna bet money? Wanna bet money? Get it?
It's Haley all up in this bitch.
Wanna bet money?
I run shit. Fans just taking pics.
Wanna bet money?
This dick so conflictual, she get low for this shit though. Spotlight Records, that's my team, I'm out here with my kinfolk. Me and Zinno run this shit, man, we ain't fucking with you pussies. 419 up in the building, giving nothing to you pussies. I'm like, blah, bitch. It's nostalgic, you tryna take care for me, tryna get the bread from me, tryna get the head from me, go collect the checks for me while I get set, honey. All these rappers say they cold, but I'm the raw style. Flexing on these haters, man, I guess your boy is ballin' out. I smell a phony in the building, I'ma call him out.
Fuck you, Tom Bow.
My crew bad,
Wanna bet money?
my team roll deep.
Wanna bet money?
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 My bitch bad,
Wanna bet money?
I run this town.
Wanna bet money? Wanna bet money? Wanna bet money? Wanna bet money? Wanna bet money?
My crew bad,
Wanna bet money?
my team roll deep.
Wanna bet money?
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 My bitch bad,
Wanna bet money?
I run this town.
Wanna bet money? Wanna bet money? Wanna bet money? Wanna bet money? Get it?
Yo, crew harder than mine. Harder than mine.
Wanna bet money?
Yo, verses hotter than mine. Hotter than mine.
Wanna bet money?
Yo, pack louder than mine. Louder than mine.
Wanna bet money?
Yo, bitch hotter than mine. Hotter than mine.
Well, I doubt that, nigga.
All y'all wanna do is copy me. Everyone try to steal my swag now. Back the fuck up, G. My shit is rated R. You still stuck on Sesame Street, so step down, little nigga. My lyrics are bullets, and my brain is just me to pull the trigger. I see you frontin'. You got something to say? Say it with your chest, little last nigga. I'm headed to the top. There's no time for the games, little last nigga. Let's try buffing this bitch. Everyone trying to get like me and my team. All these niggas trying to flex. All these niggas acting like they the best. This dirty money got my hands looking a mess. Whoever talking shit can get a clip straight to the chest.
Bang,
Alone
bang.
a clip full of hollows. Reload. Tell me who next.
Bang. My crew bad,
Wanna bet money?
my team roll deep.
Wanna bet money?
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 My bitch bad,
Wanna bet money?
I run this town.
Wanna bet money?